Tesher and I are over here.
I go, it's not me. It must be something in the
cooking.
oven.
Something's cooking.
Hi, everybody.
This is Tara
It's
Tesher.
some bacon.
She is the founder, the CEO, this is all the same person,
Yes.
and designer
Yes.
of Temp-tations.
Yes.
Welcome back, my friend.
Thank you. So good to be
I know
here.
you have a big 2-hour show tonight.
Yes.
You had a 2-hour show at 1 a.m.
Yes.
with our friend Steve Doss.
17 brand new items coming up in that
Big Bite Steve
10
had
p.m.
the show at 1 a.m.
Yes, he did. He was wonderful. Yes,
and
he was.
I saw a little
Oh,
bit of that
everybody.
video this
Yes.
morning, so he's probably sleeping it off right
I
now.
would hope so. Lisa, too.
Hey, this is amazing. These are the shallow pasta bowls.
Our single biggest request, you know our bowls are always super popular.
Right.
Our biggest request has been, can you create shallow pasta bowls for us? So that naturally we can do our pasta, but there's so much more. From your salads, from your desserts, hot and cold, everything you love from Temp-tations. 20 ounces, so a nice generous size, and you're gonna receive all 4 of them, David, which is fantastic, and same great stoneware. So oven safe, microwave, fridge, freezer, dishwasher safe.
200 already gone,
I'm not
and what you
surprised.
don't want to wait on is the one Tara is showing you right now. The Paulfetti. Let me just show this to the camera.
Yeah. Your little DV in the TV?
Look at that. There's a lot of DV in the TV. Look at this. I mean, if you are a pet lover,
It's so sweet.
These always fly.
Yeah.
And you can see more of the pattern around the outside. We even have the large serving
Did you
bowl.
want me to hold that up
Would
real
you
quick?
please?
Yes, so just so you're
That's a
checking
separate
it
purchase,
out.
not included in this purchase.
But look.
But that is, and it will match. So if you're serving pasta and you need shallow bowls, or if you're doing soup, or I might use these as little tapas bowls.
Super sweet. I love that idea. And again, it's that same great stoneware. So you can do everything you love, and we have tons of patterns and colors, and we tried to bring them all in. When we hear you want something, we bring it all in.
Hey, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a 4-hour show.
Where would you like to start?
Let's
We
start
got a
here,
lot.
closest to you.
Yes.
And we have several updates.
Yes, okay,
So
I'll
let's
be
start
quiet.
with, well, there's no need for that. There is confetti to begin with, and I have 200 left in confetti.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is the color that started it all.
The
Old
OG.
World Green.
I started calling it the OG.
There you go. Here is the green, and then 230. Here's the blue. 230 in the blue. Thank you for that close-up.
Yes, thank you guys.
There we are.
Thank you.
Then we've got it in red. 200 left in the red. Here's black. 185 is all I have in the black. And I'm going to guess, knowing you as I do, that if we sell out of this, will it be back this year?
Maybe.
Maybe.
We can try.
We can try.
We can try.
But there's no guarantee.
There is no guarantee.
That supply chain thing is real.
Yes.
All right. Then floral lace. This is blue, always the most popular. And there's the reverse on the inside. So you've got kind of that natural color with the outline, with the blue flower outlines. And then if you run your finger over this, this is etched.
Yes. It's gorgeous. That
and
inky
then
cobalt
beaded
blue.
around the top. And 500 left.
Wow.
All right. Here's the red floral lace, 475. Here's the black floral lace, 300 left in the black. Here's gray, 230. Cranberry, fewer than 400. That completes floral lace. Then we have gray doodle,
I love the doodles. The roosters.
185. Here's black doodle. Oh, I'm right in the way. Oh, I'm in the way.
You look good.
I'm leaning. I'm doing limbo. How many left in the black? 225, and then we'll shoot the red in the corner. In the red, we have 500 in the red doodle. Okay. I apologize. Tight quarters. All right, now.
Would it be easier to slide those over here?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, why don't you talk about them and I'll move them.
Here, you.
Yep. This
throw a
is
couple of those
called,
down.
we're going to do this
All right,
live.
you do your colors down there, and then I'll do these over here, and I'll stay up here on the counter.
So here
Maybe
is
that'll be good.
Believe. This is one of our newer patterns. This has that honeycomb on the outside and then a bee, all sculptural, that beautiful detailing that you're seeing there, and there's that beautiful buttercream. So there's your Believe.
230 left in buttercream.
And you stay right there, and I'll bring the white in, and there's the white. So love that we have these colors available.
And 300 in the white. Those are Believe.
Can you believe, David? We have Palm. This
Your
is
fave.
actually etched right inside there, and then a beautiful matte finish. Everything we had on QVC2 yesterday in Palm sold out.
Okay.
And then here we have our beautiful, what we call butterfly or olive flutter, that multicolor butterfly pattern that
For
you see
ordering
there.
purposes, Sean, is it butterfly or olive
Super
flutter?
sweet.
Olive flutter.
Great, thank you.
Olive
Thank you for
flutter.
that. Okay.
All right, then over here I've got Paulfetti. No, we don't.
Oh,
Paulfetti
no
is gone.
way. I'll grab it.
Can I hand that to Ro?
You called it.
And we'll take that Paulfetti away. Well, I think we
gonna-
still have the big bowl, don't we? We'll finish up on the pasta bowls. Here's Patriotic. 280 in the Patriotic. Always bet on the red, white, and blue. And then here is Woodland. Slate blue, buttercream, The white.
Can you believe it?
$7.50 in the white.
Okay.
That's all we have. And then here's the gray.
Yeah.
And $4.50 in the gray. We do have Paul Fetty left in the big bowl, but only 175.
Okay, good to know.
Now, have you something in the oven?
I did, and it's probably burnt at this point because, you know.
We should have gotten it out earlier.
Well, I mean, let's
Maybe.
just take a peek. It'll be fun. We'll do this together.
It's live television.
Here's what I love. Actually, it's okay. It's a little crispy, but it's not burnt. I wouldn't call it burnt per se.
You know what? I will never turn down mac and cheese.
No,
even
and
if
especially with bacon on top.
even if it's a little burnt.
Yeah, you got that? All right.
It's not burnt,
So
it's just crispy.
even as toasty and crunchy as it is, these are amazing, you guys. The fact that these go right in your oven, right in your fridge, your dishwasher, your microwave, but you could do different pastas in here. That's what they're designed for, those shallow pasta bowls, but also your soups or that one dish cooking where you have your rice and your ribs and
That's
your
my zucchini
Isn't that
noodle.
beautiful? With
It's
with
zucchini
beautiful
ramen.
mushrooms, like portobello mushrooms. And then look what we did here, a little Chinese. This could even be takeout. We have our Asian food right here with our
Well,
spare
you know what it
ribs.
does? It elevates your takeout.
Great call.
Makes it look like you spent some time cooking.
Yes.
When in fact, you just spent some time making it look pretty. And here's, this is, say it with me, gumbo.
Oh, I thought you meant rooster. I was like, it's
it looks
doodle-doo.
like, it looks like gumbo.
It's
Gumbo.
doodle-doo.
It's like a stew. All right, and then salads. Is this a, oh, that's something different.
That's coming up. No.
Okay, sorry.
But here's what we did. We did little desserts. We did breakfast. So this is kind
Can
of
I bake in this?
You can absolutely bake in this.
Because this is stoneware.
It's stoneware. So you can take that mixer, mix right in there, put it in the oven, bake right in there. These could be individual cakes. They're 20 ounces, so it's a nice large cake. But this takes you from breakfast
be
in the
dessert for
morning.
2 people.
Love that. It could be breakfast in the morning. It could be your soup for lunch. It can be your takeout for dinner, and then dessert. Let's have that cake.
You know, Ina always says she uses golden raisins because they're prettier.
Oh, I love that.
So just add golden raisins to your
Perfect.
to your oatmeal, and then it's prettier. All right, 3,200 are gone.
Whoa.
We are very, very busy.
This is not planned for the show tonight.
A lot of you are buying more than one set, and that is a smart idea. Tara hopes to get this back in this year. It's early,
It is early, yes.
but there are no guarantees, right?
It'd be
all
fun
these
and
are
all our seasonal, though.
painted.
They're all hand painted. They're all individually done, and they layer perfectly in
Can
with
I
your dinnerware.
just take this away because it's gone?
Really?
Confetti.
My
it's gone.
fave.
That's what Tara collects.
My fave.
All right, now if you want green, 100 left in the green.
Wow.
Blue, 135. Red, 150. Then I've got it for you in the black. Fewer than 100. Floral lace blue, 300. Floral lace red, 350. Floral lace black, 190. Floral lace in the gray, 175. And floral lace in the cranberry, 275. Then the gray doodle, 160. The black doodle, 160. And the red doodle-doo.
Doo-doo-doo. Always our most popular.
How many? 375.
Don't forget the woodlands.
All right. Now, I have
yeah.
2 colors in Believe. These look like honeycombs. In the buttercream, 130, and in the white, 125. All right. Now, in the seasonals, if you want palm, 145 in the palm. If you want patriotic, 180 in the patriotic. If you want all aflutter,
Obsessed.
how many?
So beautiful.
4 dozen. If any of our seasonal patterns sell out,
Great call.
will not be back this year.
Correct. That will not be back.
Now, in woodland, which is kind of like tree bark,
Beautiful.
slate blue, 200. Buttercream, 230. Gray, 375. And then the most popular is white. I have 130 left
Last time
in
you
white.
said 700.
Last time we updated it, there were 700.
But
Now
you're
there are
gonna love that.
135 with the white left. 4,500 now ordered in this
you,
show.
everybody.
And that's more than half the quantity we brought in. Now, big bowls.
You want to bring them over?